What's happening, YouTube? Kicking it in the garage today, and I figured I'd do something a little different I've never seen before. At least I haven't seen before. I don't watch a lot of YouTubers. I do watch some. Steve Mead, Steve Mead, and Matt Best's channel, Black Rifle Coffee commercials, a lot of car stuff. Scotty Kilmer. I'm just gonna tell you. Okay. But anyway, I've never seen anyone do it. We're gonna throw like a compilation video of doing stuff on not the same day, random days. Cool little cutscenes into the next quick little project we're doing. So yeah, something different, something I've never seen before, and enjoy. Ah, shucks. Ladies and gentlemen, the equinox strikes again. So, both running lights and low beam lights not coming on. Relays are fine. Fuses are fine. Didn't check the bulbs because it's odd to me. Not saying it couldn't happen, but it's odd to me that both of them are going to blow out at the same time. So, bulbs. So most of them have a little, let's zoom out here. Most of them have a little cap here you can take off. Well, ours don't. And under the hood, there is a bar that runs across, and then there's things in the way you can't even get to the back of the headlight housing. From in here, you gotta go up and under. So it'll make life a little bit easier on this project here. Turn your tire out so you got room to work in here and pull this back and get your hand up inside of there. Let me show you though what I'm talking about. Where'd I put my tool? Where'd I put my tool? Oh, yeah, idiot. Alright, so pins are out. I'm just showing you here. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what I'm talking about. There's the back of your headlight. There's this bar, unless you want to pull the whole entire headlight out, which I don't recommend, to change a stupid one light bulb. And yeah, it's solid. Like, you're not getting your hands into where you gotta go, which is right there for me. Right there. Yep, nothing to get there. Stupidity. GM engineering at its finest. Y'all should just go flip burgers. Like, I don't know if GM and the other two big three are in a competition to see who can do the dumbest shit, but I mean, GM, you're fucking winning with everything you do lately, so just stop. Well, I guess I was wrong. It showed me I was stupid. Both bulbs were burnt out at the same time. Same day, same time, both bulbs. doing a fork trick over here. I think it's a dead battery. Let's go find out. She's not starting. So it was a dead battery. Did a little jump with her little jump starter box in. She's rolling.